Hey guys, my name is Justin and welcome to Hillsboro, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you do too, make sure to subscribe. Alright, so for today's video, I have an unboxing and I'll also throw in a first impression of this. So as you can tell from the description, I got the Telfar pill. I'm really excited. So with first impressions, I typically talk about, wait, what? Why I bought the bag. I talk a little bit about the design, and then I also talk about how I think I'll use it, how I think it'll wear, and then I love doing my favorite part, what fits, also known as fill her up. Oh, that's nice. It's actually been a little while since I've opened a Telfar box, so still feels great. Still feels like a luxury experience. As you can tell, the box is a little one. I think this is the same box size that they use for the small shopping bags. I love that it's such a tight fit. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay. I'm really excited. So, like always, it has the plastic on the outside. I guess if the box gets wet, it helps protect it in a way. I mean, there's still like a little breathing hole, but yeah, let's just dive on in. Okay, so again, love these. This size is perfect to put like your underwear or socks in when you're traveling, just saying, especially when it's like used. Interesting that they actually closed it up. I think with the shopping bags, they don't ever do the drawstring. I love how the tag is just like chilling. It's funny to me. I don't know. Okay, here we go. There it is. It looks like a headphone case. I love it. I think it's hilarious. Oh, interesting. Okay, we'll get into that. But then this is the bag. By the way, this is the medium. I bought this bag because there was like the promo for it, either on TikTok or someone else made a TikTok about it. And they were talking about how, oh, this is like the summer festival bag. And I was like, you're right. You're absolutely right. This is perfect because it has like a zip and it looked like you could fit like cards and stuff into this size. Oh, this is great. I'm super excited. But then looking a bit more at the design, so it's this like nylon that's like molded onto this like clamshell, I think is what they called it. Like a circle that's like a hard case. And then it has like the embossed Telfar logo. Something that's interesting that I didn't really see from the details is that the zipper that they use is actually one of those waterproof zippers. So that is a great detail, and I really appreciate that. Since I'm holding the strap, we can talk about it. It's just like a sling almost, like it's like a lanyard in a way. It is adjustable, but then it's nice because you can make it longer for crossbody, or if you want to wear it as like a necklace, you can shorten it as well. One thing that's really nice about this bag that I'm noticing is that all of the hardware is metal. I know with like all the Eastpak stuff, it was all plastic because it was like a collab with Eastpak, they used plastic, but I like that it's metal on these. Like the clip is metal, the D-ring, whatever this ring is called, and then whatever this thing's called. I mean, like, it's the kind of metal that I feel like you could probably expect it to, like, chip after a little bit of time, but, I mean, it's nice, it's sturdy, you know, it's... There's hardware on a strap that connects it. Oh, this is fun. The Telfar zipper pull actually says Telfar with the Telfar logo on it, and it's, like, in, like, a silicone, so it has that kind of, like, not gummy feel to it, but, like, you know, like, silicone. I didn't expect that. I hope you guys saw that. There's two zippered pockets on each of like the clamshells, and then in the middle, it's like a little card holder. Oh, this is cute. I love that it's kind of like dangly. You can see like it's like, and then it looks like there's like little card slots in there. I wonder if it's like, I don't know. We'll figure that out later together, won't we? But then yeah, that little card holder piece is like attached, but it's like kind of loose on the inside. That's cool. Like I said before, I saw it because someone was like, this is a festival bag for 2023. And I was like, I want to wear this when I go see Beyonce during the Renaissance tour. So that when she has her line in Summer Renaissance about, I'm assuming she's going to perform every song, when she says Telfar, I'm going to be like, yeah, Beyonce! And then also just like if I'm like going on like a hike or something where like hello, this is like apparently waterproof, or at least water resistant. And then just like something small. I don't know, I love the idea. Or just like a little adventure, you know? I think this is such a good idea for like somewhere you don't want to bring like one of your fancier bags, but still like want to carry like all of your essentials, right? And that's why I got the medium, because I think that's the one that the person commented about it being like the festival one versus like the large or the small, which I think is really just kind of like a coin purse kind of size. I'm actually looking at the tag right now, and the tag says Telfar wallet case black, one size. So I don't know what the names of the other sizes are, but this one is, they call it a wallet. So I'm like, alright, that's cool. And then looking at the material, I mean, look at the material.
You should be going home anyway.
But actually, looking at the material, it is a nylon, so I mean, it's plastic. I'm sure it's gonna wear nicely. My Eastpak collab Telfar, that one, I use that multiple times a week, going to like the gym and stuff. It's wearing super well. I've used it on travel. I haven't noticed anything, so I know this isn't an Eastpak collab, but I have to assume this is gonna wear in a similar way. Everything seems really like well done. The stitching, oh cool, they like did double line of stitching on the strap. Everything just seems really secure. The zipper feels good. I can't tell if it's like YKK or not, and I know like YKK is like one of the top ones, but it feels smooth. It feels like it could be in a way. I'm pretty sure that on the shopping bags it's YKK too. Oh cool, so on the inside of the pocket, it is just the reverse, but like you can feel like the indentations from the Telfar logo. It's kind of funny. So I wanted to tell a quick story about like what happened when I got it. I ordered from that rainbow drop that Telfar did a while ago, and you know how it's like, it'll come out between then and then. I think I was one of like the like less than 10% of people who didn't get their bags on time. Without me even prompting it, they acknowledged that they made a mistake. So to make up for it, they gave me a $100 credit. So when I saw this on the website, I was like, European prices, remember that. It was $155, so I was like, oh, it's gonna be a $50 bag. And customs prices are included in the European prices. That's why it's a little bit more expensive, I'm assuming. The fact that like I was able to get this for basically 50 bucks, I was like, yeah, for sure, I'll do it. Like for sure, this is a $50 bag. I would probably pay like the full American price for it for sure. And funny thing about that is like buying it from the website when it dropped, I put in my code and I was like, this is not working. And I was like freaking out and I was like, okay, it's fine if I don't get it. I don't know if it's gonna sell super fast or not, but I just came to terms with it and I just sent him an email like, hey, my code ended up not working. And then within 5 minutes, they came back like, oh, sorry about that, try it now. And then immediately I was able to like get the bag. And I was like, all right, cool, nice. You guys are amazing. This is why I love Telfar. And they're like, thanks for your patronage. I don't think they use that word, but you know, like, oh, thanks for supporting us. You hear people complaining about the customer service that Telfar has, but like, I literally only had amazing luxury level experiences from the customer service. Like there was even, I want to say it was like last year, 2 years ago or something, where like just to say thank you, they were like, hey, you can get a free belt. I mean, that belt was too small for me, so I gave it to my sister. But I've literally never had customer service that was like this. Like Loewe is like up there as well, but like this is, it was such a nice experience. And like they for sure have a customer for me for the rest of my life until I die. Okay, but now let's get to my favorite section, fill her up. Fill her up. I'm gonna stuff into it. I'm gonna stuff. And I'm actually really excited to see what fits because like, hello, this is like tiny, but the way that they marketed it was like, you're gonna fit a lot of stuff in here, everything you need. And I'm like, yeah, I could see it. I see the vision, but all right, so I'm ready to fill her up. All right, I'm ready to fill her up. Ooh, eye contact, that's weird, hold on. I'm ready to fill her up. Whatever, okay, let's just do it. So I kind of just grabbed a bunch of stuff that I had laying around that I was like, oh, this could be useful for like a festival or something. So this is the size of the bag. This is the amount of stuff that I have. As you can see, it's like pretty similar sized amount of stuff. So let's see if it all fits. Obviously like a phone's not gonna fit in here, so how do I put my cards in here so that you guys can't see my number? Hold on, I'm gonna do this a little like hidden from the camera. Sure. Okay, so then I emptied out this bad boy. What's in here? Wait, I have cash? Okay, so let's just throw some cash in here too. As far as everything I had in my card holder, everything fits in here. You can fit in 4 cards. The top is too narrow for you to fit a card in unless, can you do it like, oh, okay. It's a little ugly, but yeah, you can put in 6 cards. This is so awkward to show. 6 cards if you use the top one with your card vertically, so it's a little ugly, but like whatever. 3 on each side. That's cool. I'm into it. Let's try to fit in a lip balm, a lighter for any friends who might have some interesting things to share with the group. A phone charging cable, because, you know, life is hard sometimes. I mean, it closed. That's cool. Okay, now we have on the other side. So every time I do one of these, I show like my comically large keychain, but I actually have like a smaller keychain. So I've been lying to you every time. No, I use that one, but then this one I just have if I'm like running or if I need to put something in a small bag. But like I know that eggplant's not fitting in here, so. Cool, cool, cool. Keys fit. Oh god, I forgot about this. Okay. Oh, I don't know if these are gonna fit. Because I also wanted to put my AirPods in here. Okay, hold on. Brain power. You're either gonna have to make a choice if you're lactose intolerant. Do you want your AirPods or your dairy pills? Or, if you're cool, you have these like little single pack, one single pill thingies. You just toss a bunch in there, and then you can still fit your AirPods. Let's see if this even closes. Oh god, okay. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. It's a tight squeeze, but it fits. Alright, I don't feel comfortable with how bulgy this is. I don't know if you can see how bulgy it is. I'm sorry, I'll stop saying the word bulgy. So let's see if we can lighten the load, I guess. But let's see what happens if I move the AirPod to the... Oh, okay, hold on, let's be smart about things, right? So I'm gonna put the AirPod on the same side that the charging cable is. Duh, you have the technology side. Genius. No. Okay, we're just gonna have to carry the lip balm in our pocket. Same with the lighter. I mean, if you have like one of those normal chapsticks that are just like a tube, it probably could fit nicely in the indent, but I'm a freak who likes this style, so... Oh, what if the lighter goes there? See, I think this is just gonna be like a lot of testing and trying, you figuring it out, and then once you have it, you're like set, right? It's not bad. It still is a little bulgy. Honestly, I think it's just the biggest issue is the AirPods are so thick. But like, I would want to keep my AirPods in here anyways. Because if you take it out, yeah, it's normal. You could probably even fit the lip balm in, but yeah, the AirPods are just so thick and juicy. Okay, hold on. Let me try one more thing. Alright, so I think I've got it. If you put your AirPods or anything thicker towards like the base of it, I think somehow like it makes it just work easier. But like I have my AirPods, I have my charging cable, I have what could be 6 cards or 5 cards and some cash or however many cards you need. Multiple keys, which really you could just put like your 1 or 2 keys, however many you have for your doors. A bunch of dairy pills, because I'm not gonna scrimp on dairy pills. And then a lighter, which actually the lighter could be a lip balm if you have the tube. So, and that fits very comfortably. Like you can see I'm not even zipped and it fits nicely. So then when you zip it, there's no bulge, there's actually a little bit of squish so you can feel that there's some space there. And then that's it. Oh yeah, this thing spins. Oh, that's fun. Okay, but that's what fits. I didn't really come into this with any expectations because I knew it was something small. But like the fact that it could fit this much stuff, I'm actually pretty impressed. So I basically just tried to fit like my lip balm and my AirPods. I think you can have one really thick thing. So it's either AirPods or if you have like a tiny little like powder thing or whatever, like pill case, whatever it is, you can only choose like one thing. So I guess if you're at a festival, you don't really need your AirPods, but then when you're going to the festival, you probably want them. I don't know. I'm really satisfied with this and I'm actually really excited to use it. I also wanted to show a little like try on. So this is it, super long, made for a tall person. Oh my god, it's like, you can't even see it, can you? Okay, hold on, let me shorten this. Oh, that's way too small. I don't know how short I think I am. Okay, that's cute. That feels more normal to me now. One thing that I like to do if I'm like, I know I'm gonna be rushing and not like have enough like mental capacity to like pay attention to my surroundings, is I'll actually like wear it under a jacket if I have one. So in that way, and you could even like honestly like, shorten it up, like shorten it, so it like literally sits. It's like that's nice though. And I was curious because I saw maybe it was for the small one, but I did see the models wearing it as like a necklace. So I'm wondering how it would look on me. So I'm a little shorter. Oh, that's nice. I don't think I like it as much, but I feel like I'm wearing like a Beats headphone case or something. It's like the opposite of like the AirPods Max or whatever. Instead of it being like headphones that like look like a little handbag, it's a handbag that looks like headphones. Alright, but then that is the medium Telfar pill. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this was a good purchase? I think it was a good purchase. I think we all kind of need like the bags that we know can get a little rough and tumble. I don't know why I said it like that. But you know what I mean? Like, you're not afraid of it getting like dirty or scuffed or something like that because you want to go to like a festival, but you still want it to be cute. I think this is cute. I just really like that like they used the Telfar logo to like make the shape of the bag. I don't know, it's cute. Also, something that I realized later is that because it's detachable, you can kind of like use it as like a bag charm in a way. I mean, they showed that on the website, but I didn't realize it until afterwards. I don't know. You should try it. I'm going to. Is it gonna work? I don't know. It will, but I don't know. Do you think you would get one of these? If you have one of these, do you intend on using it at a festival? Or in a similar way that I was going to? Or I don't know, I just like to hear from you guys. Let me know. But that's all I have for you today. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It lets me know that you like this kind of content, that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time. See, it's dirty. I'm sorry, I'll stop saying the word bulgy.